Good morning, one and all present through this online mode for the very opening session of National 1 Week Online Faculty Training Program, jointly organized by Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as a KTHM College, Nashik, Maharashtra, and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi. For the very opening session, we have among us Professor D.S. Raval, Honorable Chairman of the Governing Body of Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi, Srimati Nilimatai Pawar, Honorable General Secretary of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik, Dr. Hemchand Jain, Principal of Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi, all the eminent resource persons, teachers, students and participant friends. At the outset, I welcome you all on behalf of KTHM College and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi. This 1 week faculty training program is specially designed taking in view the need of an hour of the issue of pedagogical training for effective online teaching and learning. We all are aware that methods of teaching and learning are changing drastically during the fatal pandemic of COVID-19. It has become necessary to teachers as well as the student to cope up with the changing scenario in the academics brought by COVID-19 pandemic. The entire world is suffering from the tragic pandemic and trying to overcome this universal problem. Out of many, academic section seems tremendously affected by it. Taking the urgency and need of the issue, we have organized this 1 week FTP in collaboration with Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, which is a hugely responded across the country. This faculty training program is designed taking in view the objective to bridge the gap between teacher and student through various channels of educational delivery for effective outcome. The dissemination of knowledge seems becoming difficult during these days as we are keeping the social distancing. In order to reach the maximum number of students through e-content, the teachers should train accordingly in using online mode of teaching. It is said that pedagogy changes according to the content, but I strongly feel that pedagogy changes according to the change in time also. In this tough and critical situation, innovative pedagogy need to be mastered by the teachers. This 1 week online faculty training program will cover several innovative topics which you will be acquainted during the session. Friends, Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Nashik, which was established in 1914 and is having a long 106 years prestigious legacy, is a more socio-educational institute in the state as well as in country, following the motto for the welfare and happiness of the masses, that means Bahujan Hitay Bahujan Sukhai. The Maratha Vidya Prasarak always takes initiative in organizing novel activities for the teachers, students and above all for the entire stakeholder. The dream of the then social reformers and the great visionary founders of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj has taken a concrete shape during the centenary of MVP Samaj. I must mention the name of the great Karmavi Sri Rao Sahib Thorat, Bhau Sahib Hire, Kaka Sahib Wagh, Anna Sahib Mirkute, Ganpat Dada More, Captain D.R. Bhosle, Advocate Baburao Thakre, Advocate Vittalrao Hande, Dr. Vasantrao Pawar, whose painstaking effort paved the ways for quality education to the extreme end of the society. Based on pure democracy, the great tradition of the former founders of MVP has been observed with great care by the existing executive office bearers, directors and all members. Managing about 500 educational institutes from KG to PG, shaping the lives of more than 2 lakh students, MVP always shows concern for the society. MEP has opened the doors of Dr. Vasantrao Pawar Medical College, offering 700-bedded hospital for diagnostic and curing the corona-affected patient. We all feel happy when the affected patients return to their home with smiling faces. This social concern of MEP has been appreciated by all the sectors. Friends, our KTHM college was established in 1969 and is one of the best colleges affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University with the consistent outstanding performance. The college offers degree courses in arts, humanity, commerce, science, biotech, business administration, BHOK and computer science. The college provides education in 32 subjects at degree level, 25 subjects in postgraduate level, MPhil in 10 subjects and PhD in 13 subjects. We have already started 14 certificate course, 9 diploma, 7 advanced diploma, BVOC and MOC courses in various branches, and the courses under community colleges. The college also offers some unique academic program to make students more prominent or competent. The college has earned name and fame with its academic excellence, regularity and punctuality of its rigorous routine, high standard of discipline, administrative control and progressive outlook to serve the society. The college was accredited at A level in 2004, again A level in 2011, and it has been re-accredited with A++ grade with CGPA 3.79 in 2017. The UGC has given or granted a status of colleges with potential for excellence, that is CPE, to the college in 2004. Right now, third cycle is going on or third phase is going on. The college has also received the prestigious STRIDE project by UGC. The college has also the status of the DBT Star College, as well as received the grant of the more than 1.5 crore at the scheme of the DST Feast. The college has continuously been organizing various enrichment program and workshop for faculty and student. Friends, before concluding my introductory remark, let me hope that this 1 week faculty training program will surely become a milestone in the pedagogy for effective online teaching and learning process. I appreciate the thirst of the participant teachers for learning innovative and novel ways. I strongly feel that this faculty training program will enhance your existing understanding in delivering knowledge through online mode using the novel pedagogy. I over again welcome you all and wish you all a great academic success. Thank you very much.